Morning, students. Welcome to another lecture on grammar, or to be precise, on verb. In my last lecture on verb, I talked about rules of verb, and I think these rules, sorry, and I think these rules will definitely help you in writing in making proper and correct use of verbs and forming correct sentences. So, in this lecture, also, I will continue the same topic and will talk about some more rules of verb. So, when two nouns are connected by and not, as well as with, together with, besides, in addition to, like, the verb agrees with the first noun. अगर इन जो वर्ड्स बताए हैं इनसे दो नाउन को हम कनेक्ट करते हैं तो जो हेल्प जो वर्ब आएगा वो सेंटेंस के फर्स्ट नाउन के हिसाब से आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राम एंड नॉट हिज ब्रदर्स वाज प्रेजेंट. वाज, वी हैव यूज्ड द हेल्पिंग ऑफ वाज according to the first subject, first noun of the sentence. One more example, silver as well as gold has fallen in price. Next, one more example, the commander with all his soldiers was killed. Okay, Satish, like Suresh, is a good musician. Okay, next, when two nouns or pronouns are joined by not only but also, the verb agrees with the second noun or pronoun. अगर not only but also से जोड़ते हैं तो जो verb है वो second noun के हिसाब से आती है. Okay, for example, not only the officer but also the soldiers were laughing. Now notice, we have used in this sentence, we have used the verb were. As I told you, according to the rule, according to the second noun or pronoun of the sentence. So we have used were. One more example, not only the soldiers but also the officer was laughing. In this sentence, we have used the verb singular verb according to the second noun or pronoun of the sentence. Now notice notice both the sentences, and if you notice, you will find that I have changed the order of nouns. In the first sentence, I have used soldiers as a first noun, second noun, and in the second sentence I have used officer as the second noun. Okay, so when I change the order of noun in the sentence, helping verb also changes. You must notice. Okay, when either and neither are used as nouns or as adjectives in a sentence, you can say they must be followed by singular verb. Okay, singular verb आएगा, ध्यान रखना है. For example, he asked me if either of the applicants was suitable. Either, not according to applicants, but according to either. Okay. Next, one more example. Neither of the men was very strong. Neither. Next rule. Any noun qualified by such adjectives as each and every must be followed by a singular verb. Singular verb आना चाहिए. For example, every one of them has a blanket. Every man and woman was killed. Each one of these qualities is to be found in his character. In all the three sentences, you can notice the use of each or every. And as per rule, the use of a singular verb. Okay? Good. Next, the verb must agree with its subject in number and person. Number और person के हिसाब से होना चाहिए. That is, the verb must be of the same number and person as its subject. जिस नंबर का सिंगुलर नंबर, प्लूरल नंबर, जिस नंबर का जिस पर्सन का है वो वर्ब आएगा. Thus, if the subject is of the singular number, first person, the verb must be of the singular number. Okay? Thank you.